Alright, now that we've got the form created, I'm going to show you how you can put this in your startup menu. So what this is going to do for you is every time you come in and you log into your station, this form is going to pop up for you and you will see it like immediately as it goes through the startup. You log in, you're going to see this form pop up. So what I'm going to do is I've got this open right here, so I've got the form that I just created with our names on it. I'm going to click on View Live Form just so I can see it, double check. It's got my sailboats looking good. I'm going to right click right now and I'm going to say Save As, and it's going to put it onto my desktop. So sample 1405 attendance. .html. That's it. I'm going to say save. So that's good. I have a copy of it on my desktop. If you want to look back over here, there it is, sample 1405 attendance.html. Now what I need to do is put it into the startup menu. And how you do that, you're going to click on this little start button. You're going to click on all programs and you're going to scroll down, like there's all kinds of stuff in here. Scroll down until you see startup. And if you right click, you can open. So with the word startup, that menu right here, right click, say open. And you can see right here I don't have anything coming into the startup. All I have to do is click on sample attendance 1405. I'm going to drag it and drop it in there. It comes with a folder and I don't know of a way to separate that. So every time you log in, it'll open up, in my case, Chrome or Explorer, whatever it is that whatever you're using. It's going to open up Chrome for me. It'll also open up this folder. It'll look just like this, the startup folder. You can just close the folder. But it'll pop up and you just fill out that form and click submit when you're ready. I usually don't click submit until everybody's in class, or I'm sure like whatever the cutoff is where I just consider them absent. That's when I'll go through. But as they're kind of trickling in, I just click and who's present, as they come into class. So anyway, that's it. I'm going to just close that out. That's all you have to do. So now, once you've done that step, you've put that into the startup menu. Then every time you log in class, it'll pop up for you, and that's it.